Hey, hi everyone. So in this video, we can see what are the top three use cases of an cloud AI. So let's get started. So we can start with an practical. Number one step is to go to the website of cloud AI. So you can write on cloud AI and you can click on this link. Okay. So the cloud AI, it is very much secure as compared to the ChatGPT. Also, it is very fast and very efficient as compared to ChatGPT and DeepSeek. So the number one use case of an cloud AI, it is an you can get a high quality articles from that. Okay, so you can write a prompt like write an article on use cases of AI in 3 words. So you can see it is very fast and very efficient as compared to the chat GPT. Okay, yeah, so it is very much fast. Okay, and it can provide high quality articles, high quality informations. So that's the quality of ChatGPT and benefit. The number two use case, it is an you can get a solution of complex coding problems. Like you can give a prompt like write an code for calculator in Python language. Yeah, so it can generate. Okay, yeah, so this is so it is very fast as compared to ChatGPT. I realize when I am using a ChatGPT and Cloud, Cloud is very fast, efficient, and high quality, and minimum errors as compared to the ChatGPT. Okay, so that is the plus benefits of an Cloud AI. The number three use case of an Cloud AI it is to you can get a carousel post for LinkedIn very efficiently and very high quality. So you can give a prompt like write an carousel post for LinkedIn on benefits of cloud AI in 4 slides. You can also give specific information to get a more in-depth knowledge of that. Okay. Okay. So you can see that the slide number one, it is a meet cloud AI. Also, it gives specific information in the slide two, unleash your productivity. Slide three, why cloud is stand out. And slide four, it is an real world application. Okay. So that's all about this. So these are the top three use cases of an cloud AI. So you can must try cloud AI. It is very secure and very efficient and very fast. So if you like this video, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.